Welcome to my video on joining threaded pipe and fittings. If you've ever had to join threaded pipes or fittings together, you're probably familiar with plumber's tape, or teflon tape, also known as PTFE tape, and it looks something like this. So you would wrap the tape around the threads of the pipe or fitting. Oh, wait a minute, did you see what I did wrong there? I'm going to use a real-world example to show you what happens if you wrap tape in the wrong direction. I needed to make this custom fitting using two fittings put together. One would accept a 1/2-inch tubing, while the other side would be a male garden thread. And so that means I need to use plumber's tape on the male threads of one of the fittings. Now those threads run in a clockwise direction. So if I turn it around the other way and I wrap the threads in the wrong directions, here's what happens. I wrap a few layers around in the incorrect direction, and then when I grab the other fitting and I start to screw it on, the tape actually starts to unravel. A good way to always remember how to wrap is to hold the fitting in your right hand and always have the tape being applied on the side towards you. That way you're always going in the clockwise direction. You'll make a nice secure fitting and it'll be watertight. This second mistake that people make is actually a lot more common. They want to make a nice connection at the front of the fitting, so what they'll do is they'll purposely allow a lot of the tape to overhang over the front, thinking that it's going to fold over and make a nice connection with the other fitting. But what actually happens is all this extra tape gets very stretchy, and they end up pulling it right over the front of the fitting. Sometimes if you're not paying attention, you can screw the two fittings together, not realizing that you're actually blocking a lot of the flow. And now for the proper tape wrapping method. Start wrapping the tape 1 to 2 millimeters in from the start of the thread. You want to give the threads a complete 3 to 4 full wraparounds. This way, ensuring that your fitting is going to be 100% watertight. After hand tightening, you can use a couple of wrenches to give it a nice 1 or 2 more turns. And there we go, job done.